In this video, I'll guide you through how to log into your Claude AI account. Whether you're signing in on a new device or just need a quick refresher, we'll go step by step so you can access your account quickly and confidently. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, or whichever browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top of the window, type Claude AI/login. Make sure you're typing this into the address bar, not into a search box on the page. Then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the official Claude AI login page. Give the page a moment to load. You should now see the Claude AI sign-in screen. On this page, you'll usually have two main options for logging in: using your email address or using a Google account. Both methods ultimately let you access the same Claude AI account, so you can choose whichever is most convenient for you. Let's start with logging in using your email. Look for the option that allows you to sign in with email. Click on that, and you'll see a field where you can enter your email address. Carefully type in the email you used when you created your Claude AI account. It's important that this matches exactly, including any dots or characters in the address. After you enter your email, you may be prompted to continue or to enter a code or password, depending on how your account is set up. Follow the on-screen instructions. If Claude AI sends a verification code to your email, open a new tab or a mail app, check your inbox and look for a recent message from the service. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder just in case. Then return to the login page, type in the code exactly as it appears and confirm. If your account uses a password instead of a code, enter your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you make a mistake, just try again. When you're done, click the button to continue or sign in. After a short moment, you should be redirected into your Claude AI workspace. Now let's look at the second option, logging in with Google. On the same login page, find and click the button that allows you to continue with Google. A new window or pop-up will appear, showing a list of Google accounts that are already signed in on your browser, or giving you the option to add another account. Choose the Google account that's linked to your Claude AI profile. If prompted, enter your Google password and complete any additional verification steps, such as a code sent to your phone or an authentication prompt. Once that's done, confirm that you want to continue, and you'll be taken back to Claude AI already logged in. If you run into any issues, double check that you're on the correct login page, that your email is spelled correctly, and that you're using the right Google account. When everything is correct, you'll see your Claude AI interface and you're ready to start using it. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to log into your Claude AI account using either your email or your Google account.